circling. Manifest it, write it down, you know it's happening.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made my birthday outfit from scratch. I have done kind of like a part 1 of this wherein I made my traditional outfit, pink color ka jo maine outfit banaya tha. I'll link that video down below because I personally really like the way that outfit turned out. So for my 24th birthday, what I had in mind is that I wanted to wear something that was silky satin material ka. And I knew I had to go to Tirumala for that. If you're from Mumbai, you know where Tirumala is. It's in Andheri. I'll also make sure to link the address in the description box below in case you're interested. Before we jump into the details, let me actually show you a few reference images that I found on Pinterest on the basis of which I wanted to make my outfit. So this is one of the first images that I found which I really liked. I mean, I liked the two-piece aspect of it, like matching set mujhe bahut karna tha, and I love matching sets if you guys know that. And then on top of that, I found this skirt. This is the skirt that I want to make, and then this is the top. Now the catch here is that my tailor whom I go to is not available I think for 2 months now, and I have to make my outfit within like 3-4 days. So I went ahead and I stalked Simi Goraya. I'll link her channel also in the description box below. She does a lot of outfit from scratch videos, and I just thought I would just go to her tailor because all of her outfits have turned out really good. So that was the game plan. So now I'm gonna roll the clip of the vlog of me actually going there and picking out the fabric and stuff like that.
Hi guys. मुझे ना वो बैंड्रा वाली vlog ये आ रही है यार, because we were sitting like this only in the Bandra vlog also 2 years ago.
So I'm confused between these two. Mansi wants this one.
Yeah. And see, this one looks blue, looks better on you.
Yeah, even I think blue.
Yeah. Blue.
ठीक है.
Go for blue.
Blue का दे दीजिए 4 मीटर. जी. कितना होगा 4 का? Hi Mau. So finally I'm here at the studio after कितना टाइम हुआ तुझे स्टूडियो लेके?
अक्टूबर में 1 साल हुआ.
Ooh. So we've ordered some food and Mansi is forcing me to have some Coke.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
See, 1 साल बाद आई है मृदुल, ठीक है, और घर की हालत देखिए आप.
It's okay, doesn't matter.
But I'm happy.
Basic, yup. So we've ordered some food, lunch. So this is the pink sauce pasta from WTC, and then we have some nachos. So this is actually really good. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be really good.
Love it.
Regarding the tailor, so I gave him आज है 7th, okay, and I told him कि मुझे 9th को चाहिए. 9th बोला ना मैंने उसको.
Yes.
Even though I'm supposed to wear it on the 12th, I just want to be on the safer side in case something goes wrong.
We thought कि वो 9 बोलेगा तो बोलेगा नहीं 10th में आ
10th,
जाओ.
exactly.
But he was very kind.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be coming back on 9th, so we'll meet तभी.
Yes. तब we'll chill for थोड़ा ज़्यादा time.
So I'm back home. I removed my mask after a lot of hours. I was wearing my mask the whole day. I think I only removed it to eat दोपहर को lunch के लिए. But I'm gonna go take this off, take a shower, clean myself up, sanitize everything, and then I'll catch you guys. So I'm back from my shower and I'm feeling so much better. I was so sleepy in the rickshaw. I was just doing my skincare routine and I had to show you this product. Trust me, you need to see what this is. So this is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Under Eye Cream. Now this isn't a regular eye cream. This comes with an inbuilt massager. This has vitamin C and gotu cola in it. So as you can see, there's a button right here. All you need to do is push it and then the metal tip starts vibrating. So how I use it is I first squeeze this out a little bit and then I just place the under eye cream. Also this metal tip feels so good because it's always so cold, so feels really good under the eyes. And then I switch on the massager and then start massaging this. This feels so good under the eyes. Since it's a metal tape, it's very cooling. Now this under eye cream is supposed to reduce puffiness. It's supposed to moisturize your under eyes really well, illuminate them and boost collagen. Now this eye cream is free from silicones, parabens and dyes. So if you were to buy this eye cream, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. So they have their plant goodness initiative going on, and by 2025 they're aiming at planting 1 million trees. My eyes feel so nice and hydrated. In case you want to purchase this product, you can use my code Mridul2021 to get a 20% off on Mamaearth.in. All Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. They also do have an app which I will link it for you guys in the description box below. You can use my code even on the app. Okay, so let me quickly explain all the details. So first off, I went to Eliperi, which is where I went last time also. It's a store right opposite Tirumala Tirumala Designers ke exact opposite. It's also very close to DN Nagar metro station or the Gurudwara. So these are some landmarks. You can easily ask any rickshaw wala, he'll guide you there. And I bought 5 meters of fabric for 300 rupees. Satin is usually a little bit less expensive as compared to the embroidered fabrics, obviously. So I spent 300 rupees there, and then I also spent 100 rupees on buying the astar. Astar is basically the inner lining that you're gonna add under the silk material. After which I went to Dashrath, who is a tailor, and he's Simi's tailor. So I went to him, and I will say he's very smart. Like when I explained to him all the designs, he understood really quickly what I had in mind, and I showed him 3 options of my blouse na. So he told me aap pick kar lo, main koi bhi bana sakta hu. And he charged me 1600 rupees for the silai, and I'm still awaiting on my dress. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to cut to the clip where I actually wear it, like wear the outfit on my birthday, and you guys can see the grand reveal then. You guys have seen what the outfit looks like, and I will say that I really like the way the outfit turned out. I was a little bit worried about the color because सिलाई में देने के बाद और कपड़ा खरीदने के बाद मैं थोड़ा सा double mind में थी कि I should have picked the red maybe, but now that I'm wearing it and now that the way it looks on me, like the color on me, I do really like this really different sort of a dark green with blue. I don't know how to explain it. And talking about the actual stitching, I love the way he stitched the blouse. I absolutely love the blouse. I love the square neckline. He's nailed it. I did ask him to put the dori, यहाँ पे जो डोरी होती है ना वो, but उन्होंने वो डोरी बहुत मोटी बना दी, तो मैंने उसको निकाल दिया. I like it even without it. One thing that I do want to add is that there were a few loose threads on the top and on the skirt as well. Just something that I wanted to bring to your attention in case you were thinking of going to him. Talking about the skirt, I'm actually very happy with the skirt as well. He even added the small button detailing which was there in the reference image, which I'm so impressed by. One thing I will like to say is that the fitting of the skirt was good, but थोड़ा सा मुझे लूज हो रहा था स्कर्ट, तो कुछ नहीं, मैंने सेफ्टी पिन से उसको एडजस्ट कर लिया. Actually this is low-key my गलती also, because I asked him to make my outfit in literally 2 days and I did not even go to him to like make amends, you know. If I would have gone to him and told him कि मुझे स्कर्ट थोड़ा सा लूज हो रहा है, मुझे टाइट करके दे दो, I'm sure he would have done that, because the way he stitched all of this, just correcting like a small mistake, like making the skirt a little bit tighter, would have been a very easy task for him. So I will definitely recommend him. I'll leave all of his details in the description box below. I think he killed it, and आगे से I will be going back to him as well. Later on also I can actually wear this top on its own, I can wear the skirt on its own, and I think it was a win-win. I think that's it. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!